Hi everyone, good day. My name is Shuin Arbolos from Base IT, the IT Po Technology 15. This is my presentation for activity number 2, blog on communities technology. My chosen technology is motorcycle. Why did I choose motorcycle? Because most people nowadays works on Foodpanda as a source of livelihood. The technology was used in motorcycle to transport the orders of the people from any fast food places and restaurants. This is how you are going to use the motorcycle. First, insert the key and open. Second, press the starter and hold the accelerator, then it will start.